Do you have autographs?
Do you have a Sharpie? So maybe someone has a Sharpie, but I don't have one on me right now. I'm so sorry. Otherwise, pen and paper, sure.
You got merch? Yeah.
Not with me, nah. I do online though, scooterbrad.com.
Wait, do you have a website?
Yeah, I've got 3 actually. I officially hate flying with everything that is inside me. You'll never guess what happened. Pull up to the airport. On the dot. Check-in, closed. Bag, nah, sorry. Ticket, buy another one. Fantastic, isn't it? We do love it. We do love a missed flight. I look ridiculous. I'm kind of pissed. I'm pissed because I forgot my cool mask. Got these cool dumb masks and I leave them at home. Genius, man. I look stupid. Not fashionable at all.
How are you? Hey? Look at skinnier. I'm not feeding you enough, hey? Hey. Okay, look, she can't even just like pull it out of the cupboard. She like runs away.
Well, wait, hang on. We need some context here. Nobody knows where you're actually at, Finna. Sup, Finna here from the future. Letting you guys know where I'm actually at in this video. I filmed this last week. So currently I'm in Hamilton with my best mate Levi. He's turning 25 this weekend. We're heading up to Pukekohe Beach for his birthday shindig. Levi's been a friend of mine since I was like 3 years old, I think. And he's been good enough to come out and shoot more content with us. Isn't that dope? Levi and I are heading to a pump track in Hillcrest on our way to Tamaheri Skate Park, which will be in the next video. And that's all the context you need for right now. So I'll see you guys in a bit.
Relax too much.
Hey. So Tamaheri, yeah?
Uh-huh. Let's go. Say hello to the vlog. Okay, ready? Say hello to the vlog. Ready? Speak! No! You saw her like hesitate.
Yeah.
Good girl. I'm gonna teach you how to like do like the bark and then like the whisper. It's gonna be good, eh? Yeah, smart dog.
Phone, wallet, AirPods, schmack. Subi gang. Cutter. Let up.
Might as well bring this just in case.
Skate or die, dude.
Get around.
Working holiday.
What a love like this. What a love like this. What a love like this.
Oh my goodness. Welcome back to another episode of Strictly Scootering, Holiday Edition. We're in H-Town in Hillcrest, my hometown of Hamilton. We're checking out this pump track for starters, and then we're heading out to another skate park in Tamaheri, which is also brand spanking new. You guys know what to do. Subscribe if you're new, and smash that like button. We're gonna check out this pump track, right? Let's check it out.
What a love like this. It feels like I'm gonna fly.
Okay, so the pump track itself is pretty fun. I've taken 2 laps already, and I'm gonna switch to the GoPro to give you some inside POV angles to this one. But I mean, we're just gonna get a little continuity edit out of this thing, and I'll show you guys the way, alright? Here we go.
I'm gonna cry.
And around we go again. Got some traffic. We've got traffic. Let's try that again. Lots of speed here. Pump, pump. Whoa, that's a real workout on the legs, man. Woo! Okay, so I'm gonna head through the middle now. There's another section just down the center. There is this berm kind of gap that I wanna land, but you can see I'm in trainers today. I forgot all of my skate shoes at home. Is my brain cells this big? Are you going to? Hit it. Okay, so right here, if I get enough speed there, boom, hit that, and land in that corner. That's the ideal.
You got merch?
Do I got merch?
Yeah.
Not with me, nah. I do online though, scooterbrad.com.
Wait, do you have a website?
Yeah, I've got 3 actually. Oh man, I'm gonna case that, dude. I'm gonna case it hard if I don't hit that perfect. I'm totally going against the traffic here. This is not good skate park etiquette, guys. I'm sorry.
Do you know any famous YouTubers?
Do I know any famous YouTubers? Do you know Tanner Fox?
Yeah.
Do you know Funk Bros?
Yeah.
Do you know Claudius Scatessi?
Yeah.
Do you know Raymond Porner?
Yeah.
Do you know Jack Aristocrat?
No.
You don't know Jack Aristocrat? Oh, dude, Jack Aristocrat. Holy.
Have you seen him before?
Yeah, absolutely. Come here. Guys, they've never seen Jack Aristocrat. Can't believe it. What are you gonna look up when you get home now?
You.
Oh, not Jack Aristocrat.
Oh yeah.
No, look me up. No, look, forget the other guy. Can I, excuse me? Thank you. Try and hit this jump. Shoes are way too loose for this though. Oh, I don't think I can hit that jump. Oh, jeez.
How many subscribers do you have?
367,000.
What's your YouTube channel?
Scooter Brad.
Is your name Brad?
Uh-huh. And as you can see, I scooter. All right, you ready? You ready? Can you scoot your bike back a little bit, bro? Thank you. Yeah, ready? Oh my God!
How can you give me an autograph?
Yes, yes I can. If you turn around, I'm gonna lean it on your shoulder, okay? So I can get some pressure here. Boom. There it is, champ. You guys have a good day, all right? High fives? Boom,
Yeah.
boom, boom,
Subscribe,
boom,
Bye.
boom. Anyone else? You got one already. And another one.
You're good at hey.
Yeah, bro. All right, puppy, you ready to go? You ready to go, puppy? Hey, there's a lot of people in there.